Welcome back to Autocars Play. Today, we have something truly exciting for you, the all-new 2025 Audi A8. This luxury sedan has been a symbol of elegance, technology, and performance for years, and the latest model takes it to a whole new level. So, buckle up as we dive deep into what makes this car stand out. The 2025 Audi A8 carries forward the sleek and sophisticated design language we all love, but with subtle refinements that make a big impact. The signature single-frame grille is now even bolder, flanked by sharper, more dynamic LED headlights. Audi has taken lighting technology to the next level with its digital matrix LED system, offering unparalleled visibility and a futuristic look. The body lines flow seamlessly, giving the A8 an athletic yet refined stance, making it one of the most stylish luxury sedans on the road. Under the hood, the A8 offers a range of powerful engine options. The standard 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 delivers an impressive balance of power and efficiency, while the available 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 takes performance to a whole new level. And for those who want an electrified experience, the plug-in hybrid variant combines a powerful gasoline engine with an electric motor for an eco-friendly yet thrilling drive. Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures superior grip and stability in all conditions, making every drive smooth and confident. Step inside, and you're welcomed into an interior that defines luxury. Premium leather, real wood, and aluminum accents create an ambience of pure sophistication. The dual-screen MMI infotainment system offers intuitive controls, while the fully digital virtual cockpit provides a customizable and immersive driving experience. Rear passengers are treated to executive-class comfort with reclining seats, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and even massage functions. This is not just a car, it's a mobile lounge designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Technology is at the heart of the 2025 A8. Audi's latest driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated parking, make driving safer and more convenient than ever. The car is also equipped with AI-assisted predictive suspension, which adapts to road conditions in real time, ensuring a silky smooth ride. And with enhanced connectivity features, including 5G capability and a next-generation voice assistant, staying connected on the go has never been easier. The 2025 Audi A8 is a masterpiece of engineering, blending performance, luxury, and technology in a way only Audi can. Whether you're behind the wheel or enjoying the ride from the back seat, this car delivers an experience that is simply unmatched. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autocars Play. See you in the next video.